This video is part one of a two-part series on Worldox indexing. In this video, we'll cover two topics: the concept of indexing and what the Worldox indexer is and how it works. You've probably used the concept of indexing a lot and don't even realize it. For example, if you want to purchase a book online from your favorite online bookstore, you can search for the same book in several different ways. You could search by the author or by the title of the book, or if you're just browsing and don't have a specific book in mind, you may search for books in the category mystery, thriller, and suspense novels. Regardless of the search method you use, you'll always find the same book. Assume it meets the criteria you're using to search. You can search for documents in Worldox similarly to how you would search for a book at your favorite online bookstore. You may want to search for a document by the client name, by the category, the doc type, or even the title or name of the document. You can search for documents in a variety of ways based on the profile of that document. The indexer software runs on your indexer machine and is responsible for keeping your indexes up to date on your file server. One component of the Worldox document management system is an application called the indexer. I'm showing you the indexer here. The indexer workstation is used exclusively for performing Worldox indexing operations and must remain logged on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For this reason, users may not use the indexer workstation for day-to-day operations such as scanning or regular office use. Its sole job is to be logged on for the various document management system software applications that your firm uses. The first of these is the indexer software. Worldox offers the option to run the indexer as a service, or you can stay with the traditional method of running it as a normal application. Obviously, when running as a normal application, the indexer needs to stay logged on for the indexer software to function. The indexer software keeps the indexes up to date. The indexer software does a nightly rebuild to update the profile information and the text information for text and file searching. It doesn't actually store any documents. Its job is to connect to the server location where your documents are stored and look for what's been added and what has changed. This keeps the indexes up to date so that you can search quickly. Let's take a look at the indexer software in action. As soon as you save a document to Worldox, the Worldox indexer monitors the network location for that document and posts to the indexes. It contains information about that document that you've included in your profile card. So now you've seen the indexer software in action.